sleep yesterday. I was pretty excited to go check this car out. We'll see if it's a dope or it's a keeper. So I'm gonna pick up my bro right now, and we are gonna go check it out. My hair is all messed up because didn't get to sleep that much yesterday.
2 hours later.
Alright, we're here. We're here. We're checking that out right now. Overall, not too bad. It's a good paint job, but everything looks pretty decent still. Pretty clean. You put butter here. All right, it's a sealed deal. All right, thanks, guys. Driving this baby home. It's a sealed deal. Em1.
Later.
Alright, we're back home. This is what it looks like. It's all around pretty clean. It's like small nicks here and there. You can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the VIN numbers. So this piece was replaced. Driver's window. It's not genuine Honda. It's supposed to be it's supposed to have this stamp on here. So here it is. VIN number. See the number right there. The number on the side. Open the hood. Interior is fairly clean. The guy was planning to do a paint job and put back on the OEM VTEC stickers. These right here. So he actually ordered a pair. Gauge cluster. Yeah, everything's pretty much OEM original in this car, except for this and other parts, but for the most part, it's OEM. So I guess for a 20-year-old car's decently taken care of. The guy replaced the new tires and new front rotors. We'll probably have to redo the rear rotors. See some rust buildup right there on the rotor itself. So I got a chance to look at underneath the car. And underneath is pretty clean. I'll show you guys some pictures. pretty much everything's still stock in this car. See the zinc on the nuts. So still looks pretty good. Just needs a good washing. Oh, so back to the VIN numbers. There's that one. Fenders. Other fender. The bumper is like right underneath the grill right here. We're not gonna look at that one. The number. Bumper. So yeah, pretty much everything was bone stock. So stay tuned, guys.